Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect a PS4 controller to Roblox on PC. Connecting your PlayStation 4 controller to your computer for Roblox requires a few simple steps. First, you will need either a USB cable to plug it in directly or a Bluetooth adapter if your PC does not have built-in Bluetooth. This initial physical connection is the very first step in getting ready to play. The next crucial step involves installing specialized software. PS4 Windows is the go-to application that allows your computer to properly recognize the PlayStation 4 controller. Essentially, it tricks your PC into thinking your PS4 controller is an Xbox 360 controller, which most PC games, including Roblox, natively support. This translation is vital for all your button presses and stick movements to register correctly. Once PS4 Windows is installed, you will need to configure your controller. Open the application and create a new profile. Here, you can customize every aspect of your controller, mapping each button, trigger, and analog stick to your desired functions. Take your time to set up your preferences, then save your profile. This allows you to quickly load your settings whenever you want to play Roblox or other games. With your controller configured and PS4 Windows running, you are ready to play Roblox. Launch the Roblox application or website, and your PlayStation 4 controller should now be fully functional. The game will interpret your inputs as if you were using an Xbox controller, providing a smooth gaming experience. Jump into your favorite Roblox game and test out your new setup to ensure all controls are responding as expected. Enjoy your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.